Hi, Assalamualaikum guys. So this is another tutorial video on how to use GitHub desktop. Alright, so this is an alternative, alright, alternative methods. Okay, instead of using the Git commands, right, purely using the terminals. Alright, you always can use the GitHub desktop, and also you always can use your VS Code also as a tools for you to manage your Git repositories lah. Right, so if let's say you want to download a GitHub desktop, so right, GitHub desktop is a software that has been released by GitHub, okay, to simplify the process or the procedures of Git for the development workflow lah. Okay, so you can go to desktop.github.com/downloads. Alright, so we have the download. Okay, so click download. Then for me, I'm using Windows. I click download for Windows. So wait for a while, okay, until the download process completes. So once completes, I already have the software here, right? This is a GitHub desktop setup. So I just double click to execute the installations for GitHub desktop. So I just double click. So this is the installer. Wait for a while. Okay, it has been successful installed. Technically, I have it in my computer also, right? Then we want to add, okay, we want to add the existing repositories that we have created before. Okay, so if let's say you are not you're not watching the git command tutorials yet, so I'm strongly recommend you to um, go and watch the full versions of the Git tutorials video that I have uploaded previously. Okay, so next one I want to use GitHub desktop. Okay, to synchronize the files. Okay, to my GitHub repositories lah. Okay, so here I just copy. Okay, so this is the folder C Laragon WWIMS. IMS is the project folders. Okay, then after that I navigate back to the GitHub desktop. I go to file, add local repositories. Then I put the file paths or the directory paths, and I click add repositories. Okay, so now GitHub desktop, okay, will monitor. Okay, Git technically will monitor, then GitHub desktop will track it lah. Okay, so let's say I make some changes. Okay, so I run my VS. So all right, okay, we go to file, open folder, then I open folder IMS. Right, then index. Okay, so let's say I put a break here, then hello. So I save. So once you go back to your GitHub desktop, it will automatically track the changes. All right, so it says that there is a new lines of code. All right, then after that I want to commit this one. Okay, so I just say that update information. Okay, then I click commit to main. All right, then see here, push origins. Okay, push origins. So I just click push origins. Then it will push the projects. Okay, you can check it. Go to your repository. Okay, refresh it. Okay, so index.html update informations now. Okay, so once you click, we have the hello everybody here. Okay, so it is easier to use GitHub desktops lah. Okay, so very easy to use. If let's say you have others branch, so you can select your branch here lah. Okay, all right. Okay, so we have the GitHub desktop. So next one, I want to show you how to use Git in your what we call this one, in your VS codes lah. Alright, so VS code. So for example here, okay, we have the source control. Okay, so we have the source control. Alright, under source control tabs lah. Alright, so let's say I made some changes again here. Okay, I put this one as a new line again. Alright, so that again. Um, then I put it here. How are you? Okay. Then I save. Okay. So it says that we have index have some changes, right? Index have some changes, right? So we just click on commit. Sorry, we can click on commit and push. Okay, together we push it to the um, repositories lah. Okay, so commit and push. Yes. Wait for a while. Um, all right. So we already complete. Okay, then go back here. Okay, so we go back here. So click here. Okay, so we have how are you here. Okay, so how are you has been uploaded. So, okay, to the or the script has been uploaded to the repositories. All right. Okay, so now I'm closing this one. Okay, so it is easy for you. If let's say you put anything, okay, if let's say um, I copy this one, right? I put a composer into this folder. Okay, so when we look at this GitHub desktop, we also will look at it. Okay, same goes to the uh, VS, same goes to the VS, right? So see, we have the composer. Either you want to use VS or you want to use GitHub. Sorry, GitHub desktop. It's up to you, right? For example, I want to say this one is the software. Then I commit to main. Then I push to the origins. Wait for a while to upload. All right, once it's successful upload, then we can check our repositories. There we go. We have the composer uploaded into the repository also. All right, okay. So I think that's all, guys. That is on how to use GitHub desktop and also VS Code. Okay, so this video, okay, is interrelated with the previous video, the GitHub the Git command video, right? So I hope that you managed to capture something new, okay, to learn on how to use Git commands lah, uh, and implement it into your projects. Okay, so I think that's all, guys. Thank you very much. If let's say you have anything to share and comments, feel free to drop it in the comment sections. Then that's all. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.